is now for all independent travel people who not in a luxury but in a budget, and no, not bad. Even own room have, and then sweating and want to wash clothing. So is a brand new in a hotel, like in India, Sri Lanka, in all travel countries, in washing machine. So I show, it's like people can come have a look. You put inside your clothes and soap and detergent, and on top. And here you manipulate, and here open water. You can hear water coming, little bit here also is good for to know. So once finished, you go for draining. This for wash and rinse. For rinse, but this for drain. And drain selector. And spin timer on and off. So you open now again. Here you put close, and what you want, if trousers and shirt you put like one and start. Like a centrifuge. Start and working and finish, and you open like this, take out, and new shirt is okay, and then Merry Christmas, thank you.